Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorn shells and grounded. To begin, you'll need to locate whole acorns scattered around the base of the massive oak tree. Once you find them, equip a busting tool, like a pebblet axe or a mint mace, and simply hit the acorn until it breaks apart. This will yield valuable acorn shell pieces for your crafting needs. For maximum efficiency, a Tier 2 busting tool is highly recommended. While a pebblet axe can work, it takes more hits. Consider crafting a mint mace as soon as possible. Its busting power makes short work of even the toughest acorns. Upgrading your tools further will significantly reduce the time spent gathering, allowing you to collect more shells quickly. The primary location for acorns is directly beneath the towering oak tree. Explore the roots and the immediate vicinity, as many often roll slightly away. Remember that acorns do respawn, so if you clear an area, return after a few in-game days to find new ones. This ensures a continuous supply for your crafting projects. Acorn shells are incredibly versatile and essential for early game progression. They are primarily used to craft the durable acorn armor set, providing excellent protection against various threats. Additionally, these shells are components in crafting certain tools and structures, making them a valuable resource for any aspiring backyard explorer. Gather plenty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.